What do you think about ZENMAP? Is it a useful tool? But the problem is that it's a command line tool and it needs some memorizing or some effort to use it. What if there was a tool like ZENMAP, but graphical tool? Would you like to use this tool? So actually there is a graphical tool for ZENMAP and it's very, very powerful. It's called ZENMAP. So if you are not comfortable using the command line, you can use this tool, ZENMAP. And ZENMAP, it's the GUI of ZENMAP, ZENMAP. So when you open the tool, as you can see, it's graphical. Here you can put the IP or the range of IP. So for instance, in my case, I'm going to put 192.168.1/24, which means the full network. And as you notice here, he already got a syntax here. I mean, if you need to do the same scanning, but from the command line, you can use the syntax. So he's showing you what he'll be using exactly. And then I can choose the type of scan. Is it intensive scan? Is it quick scan? And so we're going to give the intensive scan. So now let's try to scan. And this may take time because I did specify some, actually more than one machine. But we're going to see what is the difference. Actually, ZENMAP has some good advantage that it's showing you not just the information of all the machine, but also it's showing you the topology, how those computers are connected together. And it's showing you the machines that is more vulnerable than other machines. So if you need to hack this network, you should start with this one because this is easy to get. And usually in network, we look for the weakest point. Once I'm able to compromise the weakest point, I can use some technique to compromise the other machine. So instead of spending effort on all the network machine, he will indicate or he will show me which one is more vulnerable. So let's see. So here he's scanning. Let's see if he gets the topology or not yet. Not yet. I will give him some time until he finishes scanning. Okay, so let's see here. Services, not yet. Scan everything. He scans the services, he scans the port, so it's an intensive scan. Now this is not recommended to do inside a working network because this is actually will generate a huge amount of traffic. He's scanning everything. So but it's better to do it subnet by subnet or on small scale. But if you launch to scan all the network, it will be detected and it will cause a serious performance issue. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause for a few seconds until he finishes, then we'll resume. It took few minutes, and this was the result. He was able to get all the computer inside the network. And if you click on any of those hosts, he will get you everything from about this host, all the open ports, the operating system, the MAC address, the service running on this machine. So you'll get a full report about this host. And the interesting part here is topology. As you can see, he's showing you the topology of this network. This is a star network where I have a switch and a lot of devices connected. And those machines, the one in red, those are vulnerable. So if you plan to compromise the network, you should start with those. while the green are a little bit secure, and the yellow you can try. But usually if you are able to compromise any computer inside the network, you'll be able to compromise the secured one. Okay, and we're going to see a technique for that. So my point here is that you can use a graphical interface from ZENMAP and it will give you the same result. And you can even change the switch here according to your need. So you have different way for scanning. You can scan command line and you can scan GUI as well.